next step would be to configure some marketing promotion. We go to Marketing, Promotions, and click Add. And let's say we will create a 10% discount for a drone with some coupon code. We select, now let's select discount, percentage discount for selected product. Let's say it will be this one. And click Create. Now we can add some coupons. Add one drone 10 coupon code. So that's pretty much it for the backend part, except for the security, and we need to create a user for the front end.